Need to replace your Land Rover key fob battery? There are two main ways to open it, depending on your model. Newer models, like the post-2018 Range Rover Sport, often feature a slide release. Look for a small tab or button on the edge of the fob. Slide it to unlock and gently separate the two plastic halves. This method requires no tools. For older models like the pre-2015 Discovery or those without a slide release, you'll need to split the case. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, gently wedging it into the seam between the two halves. Be extremely careful to avoid cracking the casing or damaging the internal circuits. Remember to proceed slowly and avoid excessive force. A damaged fob could cost you hundreds to repair. Note, certain models, such as the 2019-2024 Defender, often require splitting due to their rugged design. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the battery inside. It's typically a CR2032 lithium coin cell. The battery is a standard CR2032 lithium coin cell, commonly used in key fobs. Use tweezers to carefully remove the old battery. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Reassemble the key fob, ensuring the case snaps securely back together. After replacing the battery, test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure they transmit signals to the vehicle. Batteries typically last 1 to 2 years under normal use. Handle the fob gently to preserve the rubber seals that protect against moisture. A 2024 recall for certain Evoque key fobs addressed faulty battery compartments, so be mindful of potential issues. Experts recommend dealership services for battery replacements to ensure warranty compliance. A 2025 survey showed that while many owners do it themselves, a significant percentage damage the fob in the process.